Hi everyone, this is Ashton Blake, and welcome to the Super Trendy Money Maker channel. And if this is your first time on this channel, please do me a favor. Please like, comment, and subscribe because I'm going to give you a ton of value. And today's topic, I'm going to talk about how I made $396 from this automated system. And this is step one from a series of videos showing what the system is all about and how you can make sales with the system. So stay tuned. The system I'm talking about is a multiple income funnel, as you can see here, with 4 easy steps where all the selling and telling is done for you through all these videos. So your first video is basically congratulations if you join the system. It tells you basically what to do next. And the main thing for step 1 is to join a Facebook group of 12.8 thousand members of people of basically like-minded individuals just like you who want to change their life financially with systems like this. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what the system is all about, going through these steps. So step 2, since you already signed up for the multiple income funnel, that's income stream 1, which is really the only income stream that's required. All these other income streams, as you see here, are optional. It's basically for your high income potential. You basically position yourself to make more commissions to get that 5-figure, 6-figure income. So you got power leads that join the multiple income funnel. This system has been around for a long time, has been and still people still to this day are making sales with that system. So it's another money making system. And you got text bot as well too, but as a chat bot AI where we can use it to help promote local businesses and even businesses like this online. So there's so many things you can do with this tool to generate a lot of sales. And you have traffic authority where like you buy traffic, and you can also make commissions by getting your prospects to purchase those as well too. So you're getting prospects from that traffic and it coming through the system through your link, which you get from here if you look on the link above. And these are the links you use to promote this system. It's completely done for you, so you don't have to buy anything like ClickFunnels or any other sales funnel. So it's basically the subdomain of the multiple income funnel with your username when you sign up. And you get the hits, which is the views, and the leads, people who opt in, put in their email, name, and information, but they didn't purchase yet. So that's what leads for. And then you have the visual sales letters, which you can see here, people who actually engage in the page to watch the video. And then you got sales, which I got some sales over here, as for example. And even some for when I created a tracking link to the places, other traffic sources I go to. So you don't have to use traffic authority, the paid traffic source, but you can use other traffic sources as well. Free traffic or paid traffic. It's really up to you. Even though you see all these links or so, may it seem overwhelming at first, but what you see in here is tracking links to where I went to promote the system. You can create the tracking links right here. So you can they already have some done for you, like showing you what these video sales letter to where your links are, and then you can just create a tag to where you get your traffic from, so you can track your traffic. And so just like I said for step 2, is that you only require to get multiple income funnel, the first income stream. All these other income streams are really optional. So just take your time with one. It's all dependent on your budget and what you can afford. But you can definitely make a lot of sales with a multiple income funnel. Now, step 3 is when you set up your e-wallet to get paid. It's very important. You basically you follow these steps where you set up your bank information and then you get paid. And step 4 is basically just showing you where everything is in the back office to get familiar to what you're promoting. So it's like basically everything what I'm saying to you right now. And what you're going to see for example, like if you go to resources, this is one important options right here for the tab. You have your email swipes you can use to help promote the multiple income funnel. As you can see here for email marketing. And you got your web banners. If you go for banner ads, website, like they already have done for you web banners already, so you don't have to create one yourself. You got your social media images for like Facebook, groups, Instagram, you name it. You can use these pages, done for you pages right here. So it's already there. Even Facebook posts as well. And even the training too, to basically get you familiar with how to promote systems like this. You can go through the 7-step to success with MIF, which is the multiple income funnel. And you go through these lessons, these 7 lessons, where like showing you how to like work on you, basically like changing your mindset, and about what it is to make money online, because it's very different than working in a 9-to-5 job. So like don't expect a lottery ticket like $1,000 within a few seconds. This system is nothing like that at all. So like it's hard work, just like you're working at a job, but you can definitely make results with this. And then you have traffic. Show you how to do traffic, how to follow up through email marketing, how to promote on YouTube, like I'm doing right now for you. And yeah, Facebook traffic, time blocking, like, we all have 24 hours in a day. And, you have time. It's important to have a time block where, like you have time to like do this type of business, like to like at least 2 to 3 hours a day. And like how to launch and even promote this with bonuses. So it's very important stuff you see here. And go to the training again. Here's additional training for marketing system success training. Show you how to become successful, how to build an authority online to get leads, build your brand. And then you have the weekly MIF training calls. These are all team members who made a lot of money with the success of this system. And like it's good to watch these interviews too, because they show you how they made it into the leaderboards, and what traffic sources they use, and what strategies they do to make money with a multiple income funnel. So it's very important to watch this. This is probably the most important training right here. Like watch these videos, and you can relate to a lot of these people. Many of these people are completely new like you to this system, and made a lot of results with this system. So I'm going to also show you my payments, how much I got paid. Yeah, like the $396, as you can see here. That's how much I got paid so far with the system. And this is like your basically your profile, your commission reports, like people who, like the prospects, like basically show you the prospects who gave you that commission. But for privacy, I don't want to show it on camera. So that's pretty much what that's about. But I'll just show you my payments. And you have your billing information, your e-wallet, and help. In case you need help with what to do, like you have your fax information, what the system is all about, and what you need to do, and like you have your supports, and we can email support or even call them as well. And I'm going to show you the Facebook group. Now I'll get to the Facebook group of the 12.8 thousand members. So when you sign to the Facebook group, like basically your prospect, your sponsor will greet you to the team, and everybody will give you a warm welcome, and like I said, there's a bunch of like-minded individuals, very active group who want to change their life financially, and there's team members literally every day making sales. And they're not only showing sales too, they're also showing, how they promote the system and what they do every day. Like you see all these daily disciplines. There's a reason why you're seeing this. So you're not just seeing the results, but you're also seeing how they promote the system. So you're getting an idea of how to promote the multiple income funnel, or even any other system like this. So let me show you, there's some team members making results here, as you can see here. And these screenshots are updates every single day. So you're gonna see a lot of these results. It's a team member right here, make $231, pretty good stuff. Yeah, so you're seeing all kinds of results here. So without further ado, I'm gonna go to the bonuses. So this is what you get if you sign up to the multiple income funnel under me. So what you get is the free leads, over 100 leads, and a free email autoresponder with done-for-you sales funnels to your business. So any business you can promote to this, even the multiple income funnel. And you got your business email, which is very important as well, too. You get a free business email to promote this. So you can't use your Gmail or your Yahoo email. You got to use a business email to do email marketing. And then you have your free email swipes, 50 email swipes to land in the inbox, so it won't go into the spam folder or the promotional folder. And you got your 25 high converting subject lines that will make people click. So they won't scroll down, but they'll click as soon as they like find a catchy line and subject line that will get them to read your email and probably to even click your offer. So that's very important. And then you get your 30-minute workday ebook to how to build a six-figure business. So you're getting all of this for free when you sign up under me for the multiple income funnel. And before I conclude this, I'll talk about leaderboards. This is also what you see if you make it to the top, like you get a bunch of referrals. So like they see the rankings, they see the affiliates who are crushing it within the system, and who has the most leads, as you can see. So there's people who are crushing it right now. So it changes every time. And this is also the leads tab of people who sign up under you. So you see their names and emails. So the system captures that. And then you have your team, or people who actually purchase under you and become your teammates. So like there's a big commission structure behind that. So with the next couple of videos, I'm going to talk more about that in detail. So stay tuned for that one. And traffic is another tab to get the traffic authority, the fourth income stream, if you need traffic, paid traffic. So for the next video, for step 2, I'm going to talk about the Quantum Leap 90-day challenge, which is already started already. But I'm going to talk about the cash prizes, the free traffic, and the monthly prize giveaways. And the reason why you should definitely join the system, especially for this. So without further ado, please like, comment, and subscribe. And click the link in the bio. And also text me on this number at the bottom as well if you have any questions. So thank you. And I'll see you on the inside.